Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing how I'm cleaning out my closet. I have a little bit of process going. I'm in the middle of it, but I was talking to my parents and they said it would be a fun one to film. So here we go. I am in the middle of it, so clothes are everywhere. My room is an absolute mess, so don't judge me, okay? This so I'll share my process with you guys and I'll show you how I am going through my whole closet and how I'm planning to get rid of things. I haven't done this in a really long time and I feel like it is time to just rehaul what I have because there's a lot of things that I just don't wear anymore. So anyways, let's get into it. Really thought about putting on makeup before this and at least trying to look a little cuter, but you're just gonna get the full me today, and my face is so broken out, so I just am not putting anything on it. Anyways, welcome to my life. Welcome to a Saturday. Next part, don't let it intimidate you because my clothes are everywhere. And I'm going to show you. So the first step that I did, I actually went through my closet and I took out everything that I loved. And I just created piles on my bed. And basically I separated into piles. I'm going to show you, and it's messy. It's a little bit of a process. So this is all of my dresses. This is all of my t-shirts. This is all of my tops. This is all of my long sleeves. And then these are my skirts. So these are the things that I enjoy, that I feel like I still really like and that I would wear. Basically, I've just been sifting through the rest of my closet, stuff that I haven't worn in years or it's really dingy now. And I have a pile that I'm getting rid of. And then there's a pile that I'm like questioning if I should keep it or if I should just get rid of it. So I'll show you those. Again, it is messy. So far, this is my pile to get rid of. And it's growing. This is my questionable items that I'm debating on keeping or if I should get rid of. So we'll see about those guys.
Butterfly, butterfly, where you gonna go tonight? Wish I was just like you, maybe then you take me high, away from it all.
So I ended up making my project a whole lot bigger because I just wanted to clean out like all of my top shelving and the bottom part. I ended up just putting in all of my favorite clothes, and that honestly leaves like a lot out of here, but yeah, I still have a lot of sifting to go through. But I was thinking about this and I was like, what are some things in your life that you are holding on to that aren't good? They're just not really they're kind of just weighing you down. Like, what are those things that you kind of need to get rid of? So as you're cleaning out your closet, maybe do some pondering in your life of things that you want to get rid of. So just some little thoughts in that. All right, I'm gonna get back into it. Other thing, but things get messy before they get clean again. So if you're in your life and you're like, my life is a mess, well, sometimes you need to do some sifting to figure out like what brings you joy, what is good, before you get rid of things and then you're left with a lot of things that bring you joy. So sometimes the process is brutal, it's not fun, but the end result is always good. So I just want to encourage you in this process as well. And as you're tying it to your life, the process can be messy, but the end result is always good. Okay, I'm not gonna get back into it. So it is finally done. I'm gonna show you what it looks like and also the pile of clothes that I'm giving away. Keep a lookout for that because I will probably be selling a lot of that stuff. And yeah, I feel like this process has been so good, and I don't want to make it cheesy, but this parallels a lot with my life. And I think, especially in this season, for a lot of people, what you might be going through too. And so I thought I would share a little bit about that. But something that, as I was like digging through the clothes, I was still having like two piles, one to give away, one to that I was questioning. And the questioning pile was hard for me to get through because it was like stuff that I've had for a while and it's just easy, but it's not necessarily my favorite and it's not reflective of my style aesthetics now or that I want. And so I kind of just like held it there at bay. And I finally just like got to this point of, if it's not reflective of where I'm going, then I need to get rid of it. And so I ended up like getting rid of the majority of that pile. And I think that parallels a lot with just our lives right now, and especially in this season, is obviously life looks a lot different right now. And if we're holding on to stuff that is reflective of our past, that's dragging us behind and it's not propelling us forward, then it's time to let it go. And it's going to make room for the new. And that is the only way that you can actually do that, is when you release that. And so I just want to encourage you to think about, are there any things that you're holding on to right now that you need to let go and it's not reflective of where you're going? So I just want to leave you with that. And then I'm going to show you what the closet looks like and the pile. So that's also a mess, but it won't be for much longer. So let's take a look. Right here it is. So much cleaner, so much better, a lot less decluttered. I'm gonna actually get some shelving that'll go up there. That way I can actually stack my shoes because I have a lot. I like my shoes, but it is really nice to have more clothing that I feel like I'm not just like keeping around for that one-off outfit, or I really don't like it, or it's not really reflective of my style anymore, because it has changed quite a bit. So that's kind of the final product. And then the pile, get ready for it. Oh my Lanta. Here it is. It's so much. Yeah, let's not focus on that too much. That is the pile that I have and that I plan on getting rid of. And I am just stoked to get rid of it all, honestly, because it's not my style anymore. But it's some great things. So if it's your style, that would be awesome. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do think it can parallel with a lot of life stuff. And so I would love to hear, as you're cleaning out your closet, kind of what is coming up for you, or what you're navigating at the same time, or if it's just a process that is nice to do some spring cleaning. So comment that below. Love to hear from you guys, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.